In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding an Instagram link to Wix via social bars. By the end of this tutorial, your site will have a clean, clickable Instagram icon that takes visitors straight to your profile. We'll work inside the Wix editor and use the built-in social bars, so you won't need any code or plugins. Start by opening your Wix editor. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. From there, head into the social category and find the Social Bars section. This is where Wix stores preset rows of social media icons already formatted and ready to use. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the panel and type social bars to jump directly to it. Next, choose a social bar style that matches your site's look and feel. You can change styles later, but picking a close match now will save time. Click and drag your chosen bar onto the page. Many sites place social icons in the header for maximum visibility, while others prefer the footer for a clean, professional finish. Use Wix's snap guides to align the bar neatly. If you place it in the header or footer, it can appear consistently across your pages, which is great for branding. With the bar on your page, click it to reveal the floating menu and select Set Social Links. A panel will open listing all the icons in that bar. Because we're focusing on Instagram, remove any platforms you don't need by clicking the trash icon next to each unwanted item. Keeping just the Instagram icon helps reduce clutter and directs attention where you want it. Now switch to a new browser tab and open your public Instagram profile. In the address bar, highlight the full URL and copy it. Make sure it's your main profile link, not a specific post or a private page. Head back to the Wix editor. In the social settings window, click the Instagram icon and paste your URL into the link field on the right. Confirm that it begins with HTTPS so the link works correctly. When everything looks good, click Done to save your changes. Let's test it. Click Preview at the top right of the editor. Then click your Instagram icon to confirm it opens your profile in a new tab. If it doesn't, double check that the correct icon is selected and that the full URL was pasted with HTTP included. When it works as expected, return to the editor and hit publish to push the update live. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.